Hi, my name is Chris, and this is UltraClick. I'm glad you're taking a few minutes to check out a little bit more and learn about what we do. If you're here, you're probably a business owner, an agency, a manager. The point is you understand online sales, and that's fantastic because we're here to help people grow their stores. A little bit about us: we're based in Vancouver, Canada. We have 3 sister companies, one that focuses on design, one that focuses on content marketing, and one that focuses on social media. So you're definitely in the right place for understanding everything that can be done online to help you grow your store. Lastly, we're practitioners. We've got stores that we run ourselves. We build our own brands. And so our advice isn't just coming from a service provider, it's also coming from someone who runs and owns these brands just like you. So what have we learned by doing all of that ourselves? Well, the first part is we've definitely learned that the easiest thing to do is get started. There's so many easy ways to have a few clicks and do a few things and get your store started, but the next step, whether it's a couple months or a couple years down the road, is definitely the harder part. And that's growing, scaling, getting past hurdles, and understanding really what to do. The second part is we've seen that there's tons of challenges out there and that it's really tough to understand what are the right tools to use. If you have the right tools, are they being optimized? Or worse, you're not using the right tools, and that's why you're not getting the results that you're hoping for. Lastly, we've also seen that there's stores that just need a little bit of help. They need a boost to get in the right direction. Maybe it's a new sales channel. Maybe it's optimization. Maybe it's a different app that improves your user experience. No matter what it is, you're in the right place. We've helped companies grow, we've helped our clients succeed, and we're now here to offer this in a much different package. The ways that we can help are in many different shapes and forms because that's what we've noticed. We've noticed that there's some people who just need a bit of a boost with some training or some implementation or even just some guidance. There's others who need a full-on team to help run their e-commerce. And we've got all of those things. That's what we've done. So whether it's an app, some guidance, some coaching, training, an implementation, or a full-on marketing department, we're here to help. Let us know by booking an appointment below. It's free. We'll take 15 minutes, figure out where you're at, and see what the best solution is for you. In some cases, it might just be everything you need is on that 15-minute chat. Or it could take us down another point where you're installing one of our apps, being able to get into one of our training programs, or look at how we can help you as a full-service agency. We're honest. That's the best thing. We don't want to hold any information back. We want to be able to give you what you need. Our goal is to help you succeed. So click below to book your appointment, and we look forward to talking to you soon.